Day, everybody. Plus, I hope you're having a wonderful President's Day weekend. We here at HSN, we take our sales very, very seriously. So when we have a weekend where we know all the other retailers are pulling out all the stops, we always have to be the best. And that's why we bring some amazing specials. And the next item is just that. It's the TouchPlay Induction speaker, and it has an alarm clock with it as well. Now, this is the only airing that we have for the entire President's Day weekend. I'm telling you why, because I have a limited quantity and a crazy sale price. $34.95. I've got 3 flex pay of $11.65. Now, that is for this hour only. So you only have about 25 minutes to get that 3 flex pay. A great sale price, the great flex pay, and we're going to tell you what this product is. It's something very, very different. You've got your music that you have in your device, but you want to have a great speaker sound. There's all the questions about, well, how do you get the music from one thing to another? And what about, is my alarm clock, is that going to be a separate device? Well, I will tell you that for Christmas, I asked my parents for a new alarm clock. This is a true story. I've had the same alarm clock since probably the 70s. I know. I just get attached to things. But anyway, this is the coolest item ever. I'm going to bring out our special guest who looks very handsome in his Valentine's Day pink.
Thank you so much.
Corey, I know this is your only presentation.
Yes,
this is super cool. We got an amazing price with free shipping, limited quantity. So this might sell out in our one presentation.
Okay. So let's face it, I mean, the people who have made your mobile devices have done an amazing job giving you little tiny speakers in there, because you want your mobile device to be small and slim and lightweight and that kind of thing, and they've really done a good job putting speakers in there. But if you want to share that music with the people around you, it's very hard to do it this way, right? I mean, Helen and I would have to get up like this, you know, and rock on. Okay, all right, you know, you're not going to share with the whole room, right? Well, the idea behind your speaker here is that this is an induction speaker. There are no wires. There's no syncing. There's no Bluetooth. There's nothing. You take your device, you lay it down on top, and it grabs that audio signal and amplifies it. Now, right now, I have my phone right here, and my phone has the case all the way around it. I want to make sure you realize that it works with the case on it. You can also use it with a Samsung phone. You can use it with a Nokia phone. You can use it with your little iPod Touch. It really doesn't matter. It takes all of the brain work out of it, so that all you need to do is place your device on top, and it'll grab that audio and amplify it. Now
it's also an alarm clock, too.
Right. It's an alarm clock as well. So you have the alarm clock up front, and you can change the brightness on that right now. I've got it turned off, okay? You can change the brightness on that alarm clock, and I want to make sure you realize that we not only have the white, we have the black as well. Now, it's very difficult to see this in the studio where we are, because it is super, super bright in here. We have incredibly bright lights, but in your room at night, you'll be able to see just how bright that is, and you can see how it just grabs the sound and amplifies it. Okay, now watch this. It's off, it's on. Okay, it's off, it's on. It's that simple. You never have to worry about putting any kind of wires on it or syncing any kind of crazy, you know, Bluetooth or anything else. You just lay your device on top, it grabs the sound, and now the whole room is full of audio.
Very, very cool gift. And I know you think about, okay, what do you get, you know, Mother's Day, Father's Day coming up, you know, May and June. You know, you think of these great little items. I will tell you that I had the same alarm clock for forever, and I didn't even realize that there was all this cool stuff out on the marketplace. And I can tell you that this is the best deal for something so amazing. You're saving $15. Your shipping and handling is free, and just until 1 o'clock, you get it home for $11.65. That flex pay is going to go away at the end of the hour, not the end of the day or the end of the weekend, the end of the hour. So you have about 20 minutes to get it home for $11.65. So it is a phenomenal deal. Now, if we brought the lights down a little bit, you'd be able to see the numbers, the numerical, the alarm clock part of it, because our bright TV lights are going into it. But in your room at night, you're going to be able to see the numbers, the digital alarm clock that you'll easily be able to see. I know we have footage for that. You have your choice of white or black. It'll pair with any iDevice. You talk about, as long as it's an MP3 player, That's all it has to do.
Here are the qualifications, okay? First of all, it needs to have an exterior speaker on the device, okay? So if you're using one of those iPods from maybe 10 years ago that doesn't have that external speaker, then it won't grab it just this simple. You can see how I'm putting the phone right down on top here, and it just grabs that audio, and it looks beautiful. Now, right on the front there, you can see the clock. There's the clock in there, and it's behind that screen. So when you're in your room and the lights are not like daylight, like we have right here in the studio, it'll be very, very clear. You'll be able to see it. You can also set an alarm on there. Another cool thing about this is because it is just so mindless to use. I mean, you just place your device down on top, it grabs the sound, and it amplifies it to the whole room. You can use this as a speakerphone as well. You don't have to just use it to play your music. If you're taking a phone call and you're up here taking your phone call and you decide, you know what, I want everybody to get in on this, just place it right down on top of your speaker. It'll immediately grab the audio from that phone call, and it'll be all throughout the whole room. So
this is a great gift for somebody who has a home office, or somebody maybe where you've got it at your desk and you want to do a call with a bunch of people. Come into your office, just pop it down on there, and then all of a sudden it's going to be a speakerphone. It's also a very sleek, modern design. Super, super cool. And I will tell you that it's $15 off free shipping and $11.25 to get it home. Now, it's a rechargeable battery or a USB cable in order to use it. So that's the other cool thing about it.
Let me take you all the way around and show you all the different buttons and ports on here so that you understand exactly what it can do. It's very streamlined and sleek in design. You know, if you have one of these devices like this, it looks like it was made for that device. Very beautiful and simplistic. When you turn it to this side, you'll see you have 3 buttons. The one in the middle is the power button, and when the blue light is on, that's it. It's activated. The 2 buttons on either side are used to set your clock and your alarm, and that's very simple to do with the instructions. On this side, you have 2 ports. One says audio in. Now, what's that for? Well, if you have some kind of an iPod that does not have an external speaker, and this one does, but I'm using it to make the point, we give you the little cable right here, and you can actually plug it directly in the side, and you can use the speaker anyway, even though you're not using that drop and play function, okay? So you can plug it in right there. Right here is how you charge it. You plug it into the cable that we give you right there. You can plug it into any USB charger, and then that's it. It'll charge the speaker up. It takes about 3 hours to charge, and will give you about 7 hours of battery life when it's fully charged. So take this with you. Let this be the speaker that you take with you when you leave the house, when you go on vacation, when you need to stay in a hotel room. Let it be your office speaker. Let it be your bedside speaker. If you like using white noise to sleep at night, I do, this is perfect for that. It'll actually, you can pull up a little white noise app on your phone, which I have 2 or 3 different ones, and you just drop your phone on top. Now you have your white noise. If you want to use it out by the pool, you can have music out there for your next barbecue. If you're having guests over, play some dinner music in the background. These devices were never meant to fill an entire room with audio. They simply weren't. They did a great job with the audio system that's in there, those little tiny speakers, but it's not really great to share with a whole group of people. With your speaker, with your TouchPlay speaker, you can make it so simple just by pulling up your song on your device and then laying your device on top. And when you lay your device on top, other way, like this. When you lay your device on top, it immediately grabs that sound and amplifies it. Okay, now you just saw me put it on this way, and I said wrong way. Okay, now the reason for that is the speakers on my phone come right out of the bottom here. I'm putting it on this way because the speaker needs to face where the blue light is. Okay, when the speaker faces where the blue light is, that's when it grabs the sound and it amplifies it. And you see here, I'm actually using my iPhone. And I'm going to pause my iPhone here, stop the music. But here I have my big, Samsung, and I'm going to take my Samsung and lay that on there as well. And it'll grab the audio right at the Samsung goes the other way. There we go. It grabs the audio right out of that Samsung, and it begins playing that as well. It doesn't matter what mobile device you're using. As long as it has those external speakers, you'll be able to grab that sound and play it without any wires, without going through the settings on your device and trying to figure out, okay, what is Bluetooth anyway, and how on earth do I use that, and the whole pairing function, and it's not working, and then you get frustrated. Now you don't have to worry about that at all. You just hit play on your music, you drop it right right down on top of your TouchPlay, and
go.
that's it. It grabs the sound and it fills the whole room with it.
Now, I'm telling you that this is the only airing that we have for President's Day weekend. We have a limited number of these. We brought in maybe 1,500, and then that's it. When this sells out, it sells out. We're sending it out to you, free shipping and handling. You get it home for under $12, $11.65. You have until 1 p.m. to get that flex pay. So at 1 p.m., that special goes away. I know we usually do flex pay for the end of the day to the end of the weekend, but this flex pay is only for the end of the hour. You have your choice of black or white. It's very sleek, very modern. Looks like, you know, that perfect for the eye device. Here's the black, here's the white. It also has an alarm clock, and I know it's kind of hard to see in the studio, but there the alarm clock.
Such bright lights.
Yeah, so bright. But if you've got the lights down like a little bit, you'll be able to see that you can tilt it just a little bit. There you go. You can see that. You'll see the number
when
easily
I shield
in the
the lights, you can see how,
there it is.
how it pops out.
Yeah.
The nice thing about that clock is we didn't make it so bright that when you're trying to sleep at night, even with your eyes closed, you can feel that glow over here. You know, we kept it subtle because we understand most of the time you're going to be using the alarm clock function. You're not going to want it to be daylight bright. You know, you're going to want it a little bit subtle. So we did that as well. And this, you know, what I love about this is technology can be very intimidating to some people. They get technology home and they think, okay, I've got a Bluetooth speaker and that's wonderful, and you spend a bunch of money on it. But now trying to get it to work properly is there's a steep learning curve. With this, it's foolproof. You just drop your device on top, instantly it works.
Now, don't miss out. We've got 24 minutes left where you can get this special to get it home for $11.65. Corey's back at 4. We're going to check in with Angie and find out what's coming up at HSN.